Outstanding design defines the 2013 Ford Escape. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. All of the premium features expected of a Ford are offered, including one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, and much more. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Call now to schedule a test drive.